Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the My Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should enter your PIN number or use your Touch ID. After that, tap on the settings button down below in the right side and scroll down to the personal section and click on language, which is the last button at this section. And here you can find a bunch of languages that you can choose from. All you have to do is just tapping on the relevant one. And as you can see, as it says at the top of the screen, changing the language has been successful. So you have successfully updated the language of the application. Tap on the skip video button in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on the X button, and then as you can see, the whole app has been updated to your target language. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.